Welcome to our Beta Club induction ceremony. My name is James Brown III, and I am the Beta Club president. I officially call this meeting to order.
It is my honor to welcome everyone to our National Beta induction ceremony. My name is Brittany Colley, and I am proud to be the sponsor of this National Beta Club. I am tasked with guiding this group of bright young students as they become members of this club, grow into leaders of our school and community, and focus on the 4 pillars of Beta: achievement, character, leadership, and service. Simply being invited to become a member is an honor. Students at our school must be at or above grade level academically, in addition to earning 20 service hours per semester. Inductees, I hope you feel pride in becoming members of this prestigious organization. You truly are the leaders in your school and community and are joining the ranks of over 500,000 active Beta members residing within approximately 9,000 clubs, both nationally and internationally.
We are here to recognize those students who are to become National Beta members. We are proud to induct members into this inaugural chapter and look forward to continuing this tradition for many years to come. We are here to recognize those students who are to become National Beta members. Our club is proud to have been inducted members since 1936 and look forward to continuing this tradition for many years to come. National Beta was founded upon 4 primary pillars, each chosen to help students learn how to make a life for themselves and to become humble servant leaders. Members of our club will now review these pillars and share their importance as we begin this Beta journey.
The first pillar of Beta is achievement. Achievement, clearly defined, is a result gained by effort. By being invited to become a Beta member, we've already made a great achievement, but it shouldn't stop now. Maintaining one's membership requires dedication and focus on daily accomplishments. Betas are encouraged to stay motivated, be willing to contribute, and follow through to maintain success with this pillar. Challenge yourself, Betas. Set goals, overcome obstacles, continually improve, and do your best both academically and beyond.
The second pillar of Beta is character. When Beta's founder, Dr. John W. Harris, founded National Beta in 1934, he set out to create an organization that helps students learn to make a life for themselves. He knew that an individual worthy and moral character who understood charity, cooperation, honesty, responsibility, and humility would be able to move forward in life with the skills needed to work with others and give back to their community. By emphasizing character as one of these 4 pillars, we are being prepared for life and empowered to be successful.
The third pillar of Beta is leadership. Our generation will one day become the leaders of tomorrow. We'll need to learn how to properly translate vision into reality to guide our fellow peers in the right direction through effective planning, decision-making, communication, and teamwork. But above all, we'll need patience and a willingness to lead by example. By becoming a Beta, we've already embarked on a path to learn these skills. Once gained, we will be in a unique position to make a difference in our school, community, state, and beyond.
The fourth and final pillar of Beta is service. Service and leadership are closely tied for Beta members through the demonstration of our motto, "Let us lead by serving others." John W. Harris believed that it was not only our duty, but our privilege to serve our community. Through service, you'll begin to think of others before yourself. Betas, I encourage you to make a habit of recognizing a need, big or small, in our school and community, then share it with your fellow members. Together, we'll work to address the issue and make an impact.
Each of the pillars you've heard are the foundation on which Beta stands. Inductees, please stand to demonstrate your acceptance of the pillars. Raise your right hand to take the pledge of National Beta membership.
I I hereby declare that I shall always strive to be honest and truthful, to maintain a credible scholastic record, to be of service to my teachers and peers, to conduct myself in an ethical and moral manner, to reflect credit upon my school and community. I do solemnly declare that I shall always strive to hold fast to the principles of honesty,
to endeavor constantly to maintain an admirable reputation,
and to develop the foundation of character, service, achievement, and leadership in my life. I also pledge to cooperate with my fellow members. I will encourage an individual responsibility to improve my school, community, state, and nation. I will defend a high standard of morality and join with my club to contribute to the improvement of our entire student body.
Betas, as I call your name, please cross the stage to accept your official National Beta Certificate of Membership with card and lapel pin. These items signify your membership into this prestigious organization. We hope you'll carry and wear them with pride. Savannah Valentine, Adam Carswell, Madison Dupree, Wendy Zhang. Today we are excited to install a new group of officers who have been elected to lead our National Beta Club this year. This group was selected because they are true leaders in our school. They were elected by their peers by nominating candidates and voting electronically. Each student elected to their position brings a different personality and skill set to the table. Working together, they'll be able to blend their talents and make a difference. Officers, as your name is called, please come forward.
Catherine, you were elected as president by your peers. The president has the most visibility in meetings, and his or her leadership sets the tone for the rest of the club activities. As president, you will preside over meetings, appoint committees, and cooperate with your fellow sponsors, school administration, and fellow members to make plans that will both educate your members and serve the community. Do you accept these duties?
I pledge my best efforts to this role.
Amy, you were elected as vice president by your peers. The vice president must be ready to serve in the president's role if he or she is absent. You will work with the president, your sponsor, school administration, and fellow members to make plans that will both educate your members and serve the community. Do you accept these duties?
I pledge my best efforts to this role.
Layton, you were elected as secretary by your peers. The secretary must pay close attention and take detailed notes on club activities. You must also organize and deliver information from past meetings so that your members stay up to date on all club activities. Do you accept these duties?
I pledge my best efforts to this role.
Bailey, you were elected as treasurer by your peers. The treasurer is the officer responsible for staying aware of club finances. It is your duty to keep an accurate record of the club's bank account and provide reports regularly during meetings. You may do this in cooperation with your beta sponsors and school administration.
I pledge my best efforts to this role.
Hannah, you were elected as a reporter by your peers. It is the reporter's duty to let your school and community know what the club is doing. You may write articles for the newspaper, school website, and social media.
I pledge my best. Savannah, you were elected as historian by your peers. It is the historian's duty to create a record of the activities performed by this club throughout the year. This may be completed as a physical or digital memory book or album. You may work closely with the reporter to gather these items.
I pledge my
Wendy, you were elected as chaplain by your peers. It is the chaplain's duty to provide words of encouragement, motivation, and maintain a positive attitude. You will work closely with your fellow officers and sponsor to ensure that the focus of your club remains true to the National Beta motto, let us lead by serving others. Do you accept these?
I pledge my best efforts to this role.
Congratulations, officers. I know you will serve your Beta Club well this year. I urge you to remain true to the pillars and principles of Beta. As leaders of this club, you are in a unique position to make a difference not only among your fellow members, but among your school as well.
Over the course of 86 years, National Beta has been proud to embrace countless members. Parents, friends, and loved ones, I hope you're as proud as I am of these amazing new Beta members. Betas, I encourage you to always be a leader, demonstrate good character, work hard in your academic endeavors, and serve others before yourself. I look forward to seeing how membership in this prestigious organization will impact you and how you, in turn, will impact National Beta Club.
I officially declare this induction ceremony adjourned.